All backtesting is just training your eyes. You can go back in time and do the bar replay and click from here and see where price is going to go. And like I said, I've done all of that. Now I'm in 2012, but you backtest in 2012 when price is at 1.59 and Brexit didn't even happen. The Great Britain was still a part of the European Union. How does that affect today's time? So if you want to backtest, I would suggest do it in 2019. But even that is kind of hard too, because the market is always evolving, right? So 2019, there was no COVID, so which is what greatly affects the US market, the UK. You know what I'm saying? Like this is what I mean, where it's like the European Union and Brexit, right? 2016, so there's no point in backtesting from 2015 and 2014. Or this right here when it comes to backtesting in 2018, yes, but there was no COVID, so that factors into a lot of the fundamentals. So if you're in a backtest, try to backtest during COVID to probably the last few weeks, because this is the current involvement of where the market is at right now.